Hello everyone, okay, Animations here. Today we're gonna be checking out the can you make it sorry about that y'all. Can y'all make it narrow gauge railway? Alright. Update, so let's go. Alright. So it's nighttime. Is there any new maps? What is this? You're cool. Is it just me, or does this map look slightly different? I don't know. I think I'm mentally ill. Okay, yeah. Yeah, they did. Okay. What are you doing? Okay. Okay, switch the points. That's the point. Okay. Let's try that again. Well, let's help out a friend, eh? Oh. Oh, you're derailed. Alright, well. Okay, so one, they added a siding. Cool. See if there's a wait. Okay. Oh yeah, that was already there. Oh. uh, right. Okay. Uh-oh. Alright, let's check if there's anything. Login station. Okay, and oh my god. Yo, this is literally Misty Island. I'm getting Misty Island Rescue vibes from this. What is this? Ooh. What's in here? Yay! Shay was put back in the shed. Okay. What is that? That looks cursed. That looks cursed. Okay, so we have the most slowest engine ever. Huh, let's see if that's true. Let's put that to the test. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. I like the, hold on. So, it does like a rock and roll motion sort of thing. Cool. Okay, give me out. Okay, it's better. Anything new? Anything else? Let's find out. I choose you. Oh god. Wait, can I drift? I swear if I can, this is gonna make my day. Aww. I can't, and I just derailed my train. Oh well. We'll just go there by foot. Oh yeah, they added this thing. Kinda pointless, but really cool. I think that's cool. But yeah. Yeah. Let's see if there's anything new at the lumber yard. Well, the sawmill. Right, keep going. Hmm. Hmm. Alright. Ugh. Coal mine. Anything here? Is there anything in this place? Yay. No, 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 no. That's actually kind of impressive. Alright, anything, tram line. Mm-hmm. Diesel. Okay. Flatbed for small engines. Flatbed for taking long engines. There. Oh gosh. Okay. Electric engine. What is this? I don't think I've seen this. Is it electric? Alright. Alrighty. Alright, time to do my... Wait. I need to get... Alright. Alright, y'all are gonna love this. Free rolling. Oh god, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh my god. Blah 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 blah.